In this video, I'll show you how to add end screens to your YouTube videos. So you can add end screens to your YouTube videos and point them to different things. I've got 2 videos, but you can have a subscribe icon and a video. You can have many different things. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you need to do is go to your channel icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Once you've done that, it will take you to your dashboard. From here, you need to go to content, and here you'll see all of the videos that you've got on your channel. Now you need to go to a public video, then go to the edit tool, which is going to be details. And then once you're here, you're looking for the editor on the left. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see all of these different options, including end screens. Go ahead and click add end screens. Now what you can do, you can add a video, a playlist, a subscribe, channel, or a link, or you can add a template, which I recommend you work from a template. So click apply template, and then there's different templates you can add. I'm going to add this one here, one video and subscribe. You can move these around and add more if you need to, but I'm going to click on this one. Here on the timeline, you've got your subscribe element, which we're clicked on now, and we have the video element as well. Now the subscribe element is fairly simple. We can move this around, including the video element as well. You can move everything. But if you click on the subscribe element, you can choose if you want the hover card outline. That will just show your channel name. And then here you've got your video element. Now you can have the most recent upload. You can have the best for viewer, or you can choose a specific video. So if you've got a series, then you can choose the follow-up video. If you've got a specific topic that your channel's about, I would leave it on best for viewer because YouTube knows what your viewer watches and their viewing habits, so it can recommend them a video that they will probably watch next. It's great for getting more views on YouTube. If you get 1,000 views and 500 people click on your end screen, then you're going to have 500 more views, right? Now you can move these however you'd like. You can also resize them. And one other thing to note, you can go to the timeline and you can decrease the amount of time these are shown. I think by default, they're shown for the last 20 seconds of the video. I like to halve that and put it to the last 10 seconds. Once you've done that and you've added all the elements you want, click save, and then those changes will be saved. And now these end screens will go into action. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.